Today I would like to share our family's favorite psalm, which has been a foundation and hope in every situation we were in. Our favorite psalm, chapter 23. So we all know Sunday school lo first kids ki ade nerpistamo, ade by heart nerpistamo. So in childhood it has a different meaning. In every walk of a life, Psalm 23 has a different meaning. Psalm 23 is sufficiently powerful as a standalone psalm because every word in this psalm can be applicable to every generation and every situation of a life. Many great preachers describe this psalm as the secret of a happy life, the secret of a happy death, and the secret of a happy eternity. During these times of uncertainty and even fear, we need to hold on to the truths we know regarding the great shepherd as we patiently seek and wait for his provision. Otherwise, we may miss the table that he is preparing for us. We can be certain of our future, for we have the promise of a permanent home with our shepherd in glory. So this is how we relate Psalm 23 to our daily lives, and this is the meaning of Christmas for us. When we are weary, the shepherd gives us rest in green pastures. When we are thirsty, the shepherd leads us to drink from the still waters. When we have spiritual needs, the shepherd restores our soul. When we struggle with sin, the shepherd leads us down paths of righteousness. When circumstances and even death overshadow us, the shepherd walks beside us through the dark valleys. When we need comforting, the shepherd comforts us with his staff. When we need protection, the shepherd protects us with his rod. When we are hungry, the shepherd feeds us the meal of a king, banquet style. When we are weary, the shepherd anoints us with oil. When trouble surrounds us, goodness and mercy are following us, not on some days, not on most days, but all the days of our life to bring us through every dark valley. And when at the end of our days, death appears to be an end unto itself, we have the promise of our shepherd that we will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Despite ourselves, our circumstances, in the person of the great shepherd, God is faithful, and we dwell in his house forever. Our cup of blessings runneth over forever. Today, we as a family testified that God has been faithful to us in all the days of our lives, and we will continue to be faithful in all the days that make up our future. So we would like to sing a song. I think everyone knows this song. It's a very popular Psalm 23. Joy knows this song as well, so we choose a song to. యెహోవా నా కాపరి నాకు లేమి కలుగదు పచ్చిక గల చోట్లలో ఆయన నన్ను పరుండ చేయుచున్నాడు శాంతికరమైన జలముల యొద్ద నన్ను నడిపించుచున్నాడు శాంతికరమైన జలముల యొద్ద నన్ను నడిపించుచున్నాడు నా ప్రాణమునకు ఆయన సేద తీర్చుచున్నాడు తన నామమును బట్టి నీతి మార్గమును నన్ను నడిపించుచున్నాడు తన నామమును బట్టి నీతి మార్గములో నన్ను నడిపించుచున్నాడు యెహోవా నా కాపరి నాకు లేమి కలుగదు పచ్చిక గల చోట్లను ఆయన నన్ను పరుండా చేయుచున్నాడు గాఢాంధకారపు లోయలో నేను సంచరించినాను
గాఢాంధకారపు లోయలో నేను సంచరించినాను, ఏ అపాయము నాకు భయపడను. నీవు నాకు తోడయుండు, నీ దుడ్డు కరాయు నీ దండమును నన్ను ఆదరించును. నీ దుడ్డు కరాయు నీ దండమును నన్ను ఆదరించును. యెహోవా నా కాపరి, నాకు లేమి కలుగదు. పచ్చిక గల చోట్లను ఆయన నన్ను పరుండజేయుచున్నాడు.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.